listen up. Listen up. I want to talk about something that is crucial to our journey towards financial freedom. And that is protecting ourselves from distractions, staying focused on our wealth creation. For me, my why is simple. I love money. I love money. I love what it can do for my life and my loved ones. It means that I can do more than just paying my bills and trying to get by. I can take care of my family. I can donate to charities. And also I can take care of the people that I love. It gives me financial security about the future. But it's not just about me. I firmly believe that women who are in charge of their money can change the world. When we're financially empowered, we have the power to make a difference in our lives and the lives of those around us. That is why I want to encourage all the women, all the boss women out there to take the time to identify your own why, your own motivation for becoming wealthy. Maybe it's to start a business, start a family, to travel the world, whatever it is. Make sure that you are focused.